So here we have the gold version of Realm of Collectors Stark, manufactured by X-Transbots.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views, influences interest on YouTube.
And here he is in his gold glory. So let's bring in his gun. Let me show his gun. He does have a nice looking gun. All gold as well.
Subscribe.
Chromed out gold. And has the normal masterpiece slots in both sides. So he holds his gun well. Not an issue. He does have an extra 3D printed. Maybe get some markers, some acrylic markers maybe. Paint this thing. And let me see if he can hold that. I saw people breaking this. This is 3D printed, so you just got to be careful. It's not going to be as sturdy as something else that's not 3D printed. I don't know if I even want to use the peg. It can fit, but he can hold it himself. I assume that's the Stark suit. He did come with some boom and crashes. I may get some acrylic markers to fool with this. Does have faction stickers as well. This isn't going to be like a normal review. I'm not going to go through the articulation and all of that. Just showing it off, seeing what it looks like. If you want to see the articulation and all of that stuff, that's in my runabout, run amok video. And here he is all factioned up with the Realm of Collectors faction stickers, and has his suitcase and his gun. So this figure is nice. I like the figure. I like the way it looks. Realm of Collectors always trying to do some stuff that's nice. As far as with the figures, I really like their past figures and the past boxes. So I do know, at least I heard, that X-Transbots was selling this even out of the rock box. I would say go support the Realm of Collectors. You know, I'm a part of Realm of Collectors. I'm a fan and friend of the Realm of Collectors, but I don't get no money from it. So I'm just, you know, just to let you know, I know people find it weird sometimes. They be like, oh, they're getting paid by companies and all this stuff. No, and no. I just like to support, especially when they do good things. They have other things, t-shirts, other stuff in the box. So next year, if you see an expensive box, something extra good is coming. I always liked the boxes. They were always affordable too. They always had nice little trinkets and t-shirts and things like that. Just stuff that's cool. I still have around here, and I have a lot of stuff on display. But like I said, when you see an expensive rock box, just know that it's something extra, something like this. All right, so that's pretty much it for this review, and I will get up with you in the next one. Peace.
Life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want it.